YouTube family, what's going on with y'all, man? Welcome back. Look, glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy, man. Today we got some unboxings, man. Look, this one of the shoes is a shoe that has evaded me for some years, man. Finally got him. Another shoe, because we got two shoes, you know what I'm saying? Look, another one of these shoes. I done had this shoe about 5 to 6 times, man. Literally, I done had this shoe 5 to 6 times. I have never wore them outside of my house. I did an on feet with one of them that I had, and I ended up selling it, so I no longer had that shoe. And I think this time I'm just gonna throw them straight to feet and walk outside, because I want to un-DS them so that I can keep them, because it's something about this shoe that keeps coming back to me. I gotta like them, you know what I'm saying? I gotta feel some type of way about this shoe in order to have bought it 6 times, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we're gonna talk about that, man. Before we dive into it, if this is our first time stopping through, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, join the fam, OGs, and everybody that's been rocking out with your boy. New members, man, look, hey, welcome to the fam. Thank y'all for all the continuous support, man. Other than that, let's dive right into these unboxings and see what has evaded your boy for so long and what your boy cannot keep out of the collection, man. Let's check it out. Oh, yes sir, bang, man. So yes, the first box right here, this is the one that your boy, I do have a review on feet to this shoe, and like I said, I had this shoe about 5 or 6 times, bro. Like literally. I think I need a knife. Let me find a knife. Yes sir. So look, I ain't got a knife, I got me some scissors, so scissors will work, man. But yes, man, this shoe right here, bro, I gotta keep it this time, and I got to keep it because I keep getting it back, man. I keep getting it back. So hey, follow me on Instagram at JayTheSneakerGuy, because y'all will see me throwing these on the gram. Like, I'm gonna do a fit and all that stuff real soon, because like I said, I gotta throw this shoe on feet, because if I don't, I'm gonna just sell it again. And this is actually one of the dopest shoes of its kind. Yes sir. Bang! Yeezy 350 box, man. I think I purchased, let me see, I purchased this shoe every time that it has released, except for the first time. The original release, didn't get it, but every release after that, I purchased that, and I think it was one time where I got like 3 pairs. So do the math. However many times they released, I know one release I had like 3 pairs, and I have one every other release. So yeah, that shoe right there, man. Size tag Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Color blocking is white, black, sea black, red. 9.5, man. I went half size up. I can do a 9 in these, but 9.5 is a little more comfortable. But anyways, man, the shoe that I cannot keep out of my collection, man, it keeps coming back to my collection, is bang, the Yeezy 350 Boost Zebra, man. Look, crazy. I'm telling you, I'm gonna have to throw these on feet, man. I ain't even gonna play around with them, man. I gotta throw these on feet ASAP, because if I don't, hey, your boy gonna get rid of them, man. That's just been how it's been. So I gotta definitely throw these joints on feet, man. They made it back to my collection. Hey, shout out to my sis, man. Look, she know who she is, man. She stayed blessing me with the Yeezys and other heat, man. So she did give me the retail oop on these. So shout out to my sis. You know who you are, man. I truly appreciate you. You always be looking out. Anything you need from me, look, just hit me up and I got you right back. It's all love. But bang, man, the Yeezy 350 Boost Zebras, arguably one of the best 350s to ever release, man. You know what I'm saying? V2s, arguably one of the best. They came back, man. This is like, what, the 4th time that it has released? No Yeezy is safe, bro. Don't Yeezys is not a shoe for you to hold to try to be profitable off of, because bruh, they gonna release them a week later, a year later, whatever it is, man. But this right here is, like I said, my 6th, 7th pair that I have had. It's crazy, man. It's staying this time though. I'm actually gonna start wearing more 350s, man. I know I don't be wearing my 350s that much, but trust me, follow me on the gram. I'm gonna start posting up a lot of pictures in 350s, whether it's my dazzling blues, which is still DS, my whatever, you know, trust me, I'm gonna start throwing these 350s on feet. I'm actually gonna start throwing a lot of my shoes that I have in my collection on feet because, hey, it's time to start wearing these shoes. I just got them sitting. So follow me on the gram and y'all will see the outfits that I post up with these shoes. But if y'all want to check out the review that I had, I do have a lace swap video for these. Check the link in the description. I will link it down there below. But hey, the zebras are back in the collection. Shout out to sis, man. I appreciate you for that. But y'all let me know, did y'all pick these up? Pull tag on the back. A lot of people like the pull tab style of the 350s, but definitely a dope 350. Definitely a dope pair. Set these back here for a second. But those let's check out what has been running from your boy for years, man. Let's check it out. Yes, sir. I got him. Bang, man. Hey, shout out to the homie over on my Discord. Hey, if y'all are not in any Discord, or if you are in a Discord and you want to get some steals and deals, bro, because the price that I paid for this, shout out to the Discord, man. Look, the Discord is linked down below in the description. It is only $30 a month, but trust me, with that $30, you will save, because shoes are below market. They are at, you know, say down there retail, man. So trust me, tap into the Got 'em Carts Discord. $30 a month, you will not be disappointed. But it is linked down below in the description. But anyways, man, this shoe right here, man, I have wanted this shoe for a minute. Couldn't get my hands on it, but I do have them now, man. So let's see what that shoe is, man. Let's see what that shoe is. So popping it open, look like my guy packaged them up good, you know what I'm saying? He packaged them up pretty good. Okay, we got some bubble wrap in here, some green bubble wrap. Got a note in here, man. Okay. My guy said shoes were well protected. Thanks so much, brother. IG Dion_T_Flores. Shout out to you, my G. Been here since 1K subs, almost to 100K, man. Look, that's major, man. Dion Flores, man. Shout out to Dion Flores because he gave me a steal on this shoe, man. And I truly appreciate you for the loyalty of the channel, man. He said 1K subs, man. That was a heck of a roll, man. Like, and that was a while back, man. But the shoe that he sent your boy, man, is another Yeezy 350, man. Look, no Yeezys are safe, man. I think we're getting the Turtle Doves soon, later on this year, which is another pair of 350s I need in the collection, bro. Like I said, I'm gonna start wearing these 350s, man. You know, I don't discriminate. I'm gonna start dressing them up. So if y'all want to see how to style, or how I style, not how to style, because everybody's style is different. If you want to see how I style my 350s, tap into JTSG on Instagram. But other than that, man, the shoe that he sent your boy, Yeezy Boost 350 V2. This one is a size 9. You know what I'm saying? I said I can't wear size 9 in these. I did end up getting a size 9 because the price that he gave me, I was like, bruh, I could do the 9. So the color blocking is C black, C white, C black. Okay, all these C's. Okay. But hey, y'all see the box? Popping it open. The 350 that has been evading your boy for so long is none other than bang. Now you can't see it yet, but the Yeezy 350 Oreos, man. Yes, sir. Shout out to Dion Flores, man. Like I said, man, y'all better join that Discord because I be catching steals over there, bro. I be catching steals, man. Shout out to Dion Flores, man. Shout out to him, man. Yes, sir, man. These Oreos, bang. Oreo joints are now in the collection. These are fire. These are fire, man. I'm gonna start, like I said, bro. I'm gonna start pulling out these 350s on y'all. Let me know, man. Are y'all tired of 350s? Like, I was tired of them, but there is a lot of OGs on my hit list that I have to go back and get, man. And this was definitely one of them. I know that I seen like some floating images going around about the black and red pair. I need those as well. Yeah, man, just fire, man. Oreos have recently released, and this is actually another dope colorway in my opinion, man. So my 350 game is kind of strong, you know what I'm saying? Low key, I just don't really be wearing them that much, but trust me, I'm gonna start throwing them in rotation. It's not gonna be just Jordan, you know, I'm gonna start throwing some different things, some New Balance, maybe just, I'm gonna start throwing, you know what I'm saying, some crazy things in the rotation. But hey, Yeezy 350 V2 Oreo joints made it to the collection. Shout out to Dion Flores, and hey, most definitely, man, hey, shout out to the sis for letting me get the zebras back in the collection. So hey, man, Yeezy, man, y'all see what's going on, man. Look, shout out to the people who helped me out get these. I paid practically retail for both these shoes, man. So hey, y'all tap into the Discord if y'all are not joined into any Discord. If y'all want to join the Discord, that is the one to be in, man. But hey, y'all let me know y'all thoughts. Y'all sleep on 350s? Which one are y'all rocking with, man? Zebras, Oreos? Y'all let me know, man. But thanks for watching. Your boy Jay is checking out. Follow me on the gram. Do all that good stuff. Till the next time, Jay making movies. Early look coming soon. I'm out, man. Peace.